Hi. So a few people have asked me about sorting within the visuals. I was going to discount that before, but since multiple people have asked, here you go. All right, so 2015. Now we have all those guys. Yes, they are all over the place, unsorted. Let's take top exporters. Top exporters, for example. To sort it, if you mouse over it and you click on this more options, you can see sort ascending, sort descending, pick anyone. Okay. Spain, Germany, China. That's one way to sort, but you could go more fine-grained and choose sort by. You choose sort by country, CGS. You could choose sort by what? Sort by net exporter, 36 to 53, 60. Of course, if you flip that, you could get it in descending order as well, 360 to 50, 36. So that's how to sort. Just mouse over the visual you're trying to sort. And let's see this. Here's my more options. It's disappearing on me. Maybe some of these visuals are overlapping each other. So watch out for that as well. Pick what you want to sort by, country or the other values, and you can sort that way. Bear in mind though, not every visual will be sortable. For example, there's nothing to sort in a map, right? There's nothing to sort as well in a gauge or who knows, a heat map. So, all right, that's sorting your visuals.